Hello guys and welcome back to a new vlog of ours, mine, whatever. We're on our way to catch a BlaBla car, which is pretty dangerous actually here. So we're hoping for everything. We forgot a knife. So if we're gonna get killed by a cartel, it's all filmed on my camera. But we're hoping to get the ride to the main road because it's like 25 minutes from here. And we got out a little late, so we're probably not gonna make it, but we're still hoping for like a golf cart, because here everyone has like a golf cart. Whew, I'm out of breath because we were running. So do you want to say hi? Even if we don't see you, but like maybe later we see you.
Hey, I'm Magdalena. How are you guys?
Okay, so we're having fun. We're going to a volcano area. So yes.
Actually, yesterday someone told me it's not even a volcano.
Yeah, it's not even a volcano,
no
so
idea
we're
where
just
the fuck are we going?
we're just going somewhere, whatever. Some savage chickens up here. You look beautiful in the video. Okay, we made it. We're not gonna get kidnapped. There's too many people here. So yeah, everyone's wearing masks, so that's perfect. Okay, we arrived in Tepic town after we actually learned that there's like a 1 hour difference. Just there was just like 10 minutes of like away in the car, like 30 minutes driving, and he was like, yeah, the time changed. Because I was like, what the fuck happened? Because our phones were like different times and everything. Is like, it was super weird. But then he was like, yeah, the time changes and whatever. But like here it's so nice. There's like some places that are ugly, but like for example this thing there, it's like super beautiful. So this is my roomie. We're sharing a room actually. So we're having our self-made breakfast that my dad did, and up there it looks so beautiful.
Puede ser una ampliación con el tiempo, está siempre de bueno.
So we found this dead little something here. There's like snacks apparently and things. Yeah, it looks good, but it's kind of dead. So one guy just told us that this dude is Cristobal Columbus, and it says Francisco Villa. So and then he's like, oh, Cristobal Columbus, he's from Texas, right? And we were like, yes. Well, that's where we at right now. Looks cute, dead but cute.
I'm flying. I can touch the sky.
Well, we have to learn the text still. But that's fine. So yeah, we're taking our trip super serious. We're just taking a little break because we walked for like 20 minutes. We're we're looking for the skate park. There's none, but we found these things here, so that's probably nice too. Woo! It's such a nice vlog. Just us doing nothing, walking around in the park. But there was like this little train thing here, so I kind of like it. I was like, ooh, let's just walk here. Why not? It looked cute. found these figures that you can buy. We're gonna buy this one for a friend, and then you can paint them. So we're just gonna paint these figures. Oh, let's take some glitters.
The black one?
Yes, yeah. And then we're gonna paint it and give it to him. That's so cute. Our masterpiece. We were a little concerned because they were
Like that, the point, we hike a mountain, it's 10 hours hike.
wow, 10 hours hike up there.
So beautiful.
Wow. We arrived at our destination.
Days blur into backs of my eyes on things I've never done. Sheets are swaying from an old clothesline like a row of captured ghosts. Golden grass was never much, but we've made
Sorry. It's amazing here, guys. Amazing. So my dad's gonna jump for us now. Oh, that's hurt. My dad's gonna jump for us now. Wait a second. Wait. Okay, you can do this. Go, girl.
Espera más. Wow. ¿Listo? Nayarit en México, Laguna de Santa María del Oro.
Esta es la laguna Costa Rica, México. ¡My pura vida! Eso. Why the fuck did we do this? We have so much space in there. And now we have to go back in. Loving it. So guys, we went to eat right now, and look what our check. Like, she's not from, like, she just took all the tortillas because they were so good. Like, dude. It's full of tortillas, like, and like fish and everything. Like, she took it all. Okay, actually this is the end of the vlog. Magda, do you want to comment to the vlog, to the end of the video?
Oh, this is the end?
Yeah,
Why?
because this day is over. Are we gonna film tomorrow too? We're just gonna go
Yeah,
surf.
we can film tomorrow.
We're just gonna go surf. Maybe we're gonna film tomorrow, maybe not. We're just on our way to the gym. I don't know. I don't know why I am going there. These bitches, they can go. Look at them, fit as fuck. I don't know why I'm going, but I'm going. So yeah, we're going to the gym now. It's already like 7. We're just probably gonna eat something and watch some videos.
What do you want to eat? We
Some
just
dessert?
ate like 20
I want dessert.
tacos.
I want dessert. I want dessert. You guys go to the gym? I'm gonna eat some food. No, actually I'm full. But yeah, this is maybe the end, maybe not. We will see tomorrow. Bye. Good night. So, day number 2 of our vlog. I'm skating at the beach. There's Magda. Hello. Ah! Skating here. We're gonna go to a viewpoint because we're gonna go surf afterwards, but we have to see the waves first. So, yeah. The place is called San Blas. Do you want to skate? Yeah. The place is called San Blas, and here in Nayarit. So now we're gonna see the viewpoint and check out the waves. Okay. Our 2-day trip is over. We're just gonna go to a birthday party probably, right, man? And then we're going to sleep.
This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself.
Pero ya está vestido.
Living on the highest shelf.
This is maybe the end, maybe not. We will see tomorrow. Bye. Good night.